Hello and welcome to this short video on how to schedule firmware updates for brother devices directly from their internal web server. If, however, you would rather learn how to do this from your device's touchscreen, why not check out my other video? There's a link to it on the screen. Alternatively, if you would like me to show you how to use our fleet management utility BRAdmin to schedule firmware updates to multiple devices, I have posted yet another link on the screen to another video of mine. Please note that your brother device requires an internet connection to receive firmware updates. Let's begin. Start by typing the IP address of your brother device into a web browser. This will load its internal web server. From here, type your brother device's admin password and click the login button. Unless it has been changed, the default admin password can be found at the back of the device. If you are not able to see the login screen because you are seeing this page instead, click the Open Secure Login button. And then from here, click the Advanced button. Please note it might look a little different in your web browser. Then click the Proceed link underneath. You should now be able to enter your brother device's admin password and click the Login button. Unless it has been changed, the default admin password can be found at the back of the device. Now, click the Administrator button. And then click the Firmware Update Setup button. From here, you will be presented with the following three options: Auto Install, Auto Check, and Off. As the name suggests, Auto Install will automatically install new firmware as and when your brother device discovers it. I will explain how to set this up in a moment. Auto Check will alert administrators and end users when new firmware is available, but won't automatically install it. And the Off setting prevents the brother device from both searching for and installing new firmware automatically. This may be the preferred option for organisations that want to control the delivery of new firmware. In this video, I am going to explain how to use the auto install method and set a schedule. I will now set my schedule. To install any new firmware only on a Friday morning, between midnight and 1 AM, simply because nobody is in the office during this time. Of course, you can set your schedule to meet your own requirements. Before I can set my schedule, I need to accept brother's terms and conditions. And based on my requirements, ensure that Friday is the only day selected. I will now configure the schedule to only install firmware between midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning. Please note that you need to use the 24-hour clock format. To save these settings, all I need to do now is click the Submit button, which should display this confirmation message. But why are firmware updates important? We believe they are because new vulnerabilities, threats and bugs are discovered all the time. Many of them are subtle, meaning they can go undetected for days, weeks, months and even years. To draw your attention to this, did you notice the intentional subtlety throughout this video? I slowly changed the colour of this banner throughout. Feel free to rewind the video to see this change for yourself. Thank you for watching.